Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this battery operated wall sconce, which I think that it's nice. We have the instruction manual, and I think that it's great because it's a set of two rechargeable wall lights, and they have this clear crystal that I think that's gonna look really, really beautiful. It also comes included with a light bulb, so as you can see, they are LEDs and you can use them wherever you need them. I think that they are gonna give a really, really beautiful light. We have also all the pieces we're gonna need to do the proper installation, the remote control of each one of them, and the proper main unit. They have this gold color that I love a lot, and I think this car will look really, really beautiful. So it is a set of two. You get a pair of everything, so it's really, really nice. You can set them wherever you want on your stairway, highlighting a picture if you want, and this Wall Sconces also has a memory functions, which I think that it's nice. That way you can set them however you like them. And I think that they look really, really nice and seems like an easy installation. So let's go ahead and install them. The proper installation is really, really simple. It doesn't take that much long. The instructions are really, really clear. You just have to place these bases and install the proper main units above them, which I think that they look amazing. I place them besides this mirror, and I think they look really, really beautiful. And as you can see, once that we have it ready, we can turn them on with the remote control. We can set the different brightness of it, the temperatures. We can change them really, really easily. It has 3 color temperatures from warm white up to cold white, which I think that it's really nice. And we can also dim it, which I think that looks perfect for any kind of situation. We can set it up to 8 hours, and I think that they look amazing. And overall, I think that they are really, really nice, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.